Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a page border in Microsoft Word. So to begin, open your Microsoft Word document. You will want to add an outline to your page, which can be customized with various lines, styles, colors, and even art. And here's how to do that. First, navigate to the Design tab in the top, which is between Insert and Layout. Click on Page Borders from the right-hand side of the screen. When the borders and shading box appears, you need to ensure that the page border tab is selected. On the left side, under Settings, choose Box. Scroll through the Styles section to select your preferred border design, such as squiggly line, multiple lines, or any one that you prefer. A thick line and a thin line or broken line according to your preference. Then under Color, click on it to choose your desired border color as well. Also select the width and also select art if you want. Then select OK from the bottom to apply the changes. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.